Hello, good morning. Hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin. Good morning sa ating mga learners, teachers, and parents. So, yan. I hope you missed us. Later on, aside from this topic, we have here this topic, parallel lines cut by transversal. We will go with the two another topics para sa inyong mga learners. So, we will do parallel lines cut by transversal. But before I start doing this topic, I would like to say because this one is a good topic to start to and para to sa mga grade 7 students pero wag niyo sanang limitahan yung sarili niyo na if you're free today and if you want to learn something new about mathematics, ito na yung mas magandang time. Kasi 'di ba habang nakahiga ka sa iyong higaan because it's already 9 a.m. and I know na may mga tao pa talaga na nakahiga. Some of them are taking their breakfast. I hope na makonsider niyo manood para matuto kayo sa ating live stream. So again, our topic today is all about parallel lines cut by transversal. So in this topic, ito ay topic na mga grade 7 and under to ng geometry. Alam naman natin ng curriculum ng DepEd is a spiral. From first quarter, we have our algebra, and second quarter meron din tayong algebra, and third quarter karamihan ng mga grade levels they're taking geometry, and for the fourth quarter ang tinitik naman ng iba ay statistics, probability, and sometimes they're continuing with trigonometry and also algebra. So kung kayo nanonood ngayon and if you want to share our live stream, feel free to share our live stream kasi mas magandang mas marami ang nanonood sa ating live stream. And I hope na mag-participate kayo sa ating review, sa ating mga questions when it comes to this topic. Okay? So let's start discussing transversals. So review muna tayo before tayo mag-start. 'Di ba? Review muna kasi 'di ba kailangan ma-hype muna tayo or kailangan yung mga prerequisites na tong topic na to ay matutunan natin. Again, kailangan yung prerequisites ay ma-review natin or ma-remind tayo kung paano siya gagawin. So for the first question, I hope na wala akong typo error dito and consider sharing our live stream. So for the first question, ito yung first question natin. Okay? First question natin, wait lang, di pa natin-add yung ating stream. Nalilito ako sa akin. Review muna tayo, guys. Ayan, nakita niyo na yung aking presentation. Naka-dual monitor kasi ako, kaya medyo nalilito ako. Palipat-lipat ako ng aking paningin. So, for the first question in our review, here's the question. Which of the following angle pairs are supplementary? Again, which of the following angle pairs are supplementary? You can comment down below para mas makita natin kung alam nyo yung concept about angle pairs and supplementary angles. Okay? So anyone? Sino pwedeng makapagsagot? Which of the following are angle pairs? Which of the following angle pairs are supplementary? So I hope na meron tayong mga participants na mag-participate. Which one is the answer? Is it A, 111 degrees and 69 degrees? B, 36 degrees and 64 degrees? C, 40 degrees and 50 degrees? D, 111 degrees and 79 degrees. So, sabi ni Rehensya, sana all nanonood. Grade 10 na to si Rehensya. He's watching our live stream. According to Rehensya, letter A. How about the others? sa mga live streamers natin. Mukhang tulog pa sila. Sir, nahantok pa kami. Math agad yung pinag-aaralan natin. Mas maganda nga yun, habang fresh pa yung mind mo, nakakapag-math ka na, di ba? So, sa iba kaya, ano kayang sagot ng iba? Thank you sa iyo. Shoutout sa iyo, Rehensya. Oh, mas makasagot dito. Mula kay Mr. Mark Anthony Gomez. His answer is letter A. Wow. Sana all letter A. Sana all sa una. Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer here, guys, is letter A. 111 degrees and 69 degrees. Knowing the concept of supplementary angles, when you say supplementary angles, these are angles that when you add them or their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So I hope na kahit kayo ay nasa grade 10, grade 9, grade 8, at pang grade 7 topic, nare-review natin yung concept na napag-aralan nyo na. And sana sa future sa future examinations na may encounter nyo, you can apply this concept. Again, the correct answer is letter A, 111 degrees and 69 degrees. So let's continue. How about this one? What is the supplement of an angle measuring 54 degrees? So again, what is the supplement? Ito ay reinforcement lang natin for question number 1. Oh, we have 8 viewers lang. Sana ma-share ng mga natin, ng mga kasama natin. What is the supplement of an angle measuring 54 degrees? Okay. Sabi, shoutout sa inyo. You can comment down below kung taga saan kayo or ano school kayo para maano natin, para ma-recognize ko kayo. Oy, active to According to Ryan sa letter D. Sir, letter D po yan. Letter D po ang tamang sagot. Hello? Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Ang aga kasi ng live stream natin, pero mas meron kasi tayo meron pa tayong next topics, meron pa tayong 2 live stream. Okay, may nagpapa-shoutout from New Zealand. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Dan Apostol. Ito si Sir Dan Apostol yung next next discussion natin para sa kanyang topic. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Dan Apostol. Paki-share po itong ating live stream. Yan. Sir, ano pong sagot? What is a supplement? O yun, meron tayong isang sumagot pa. Si Ma'am Perla Malit. Shoutout sa iyo, Ma'am. Her answer is letter D, same with Rehensya. Ano kaya sagot ng iba? Diba? Okay. Sabi kanina, pag supplement or supplementary angles, those angles or those angle pairs, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So, ano kaya? O paano siya ginagawa? Diba? So, let's reveal the answer. For number 2, the correct answer is letter D. Tama ang sagot ni Teacher Rehensya, Ma'am Perla Malit, at humabol pa po yung ating viewer from New Zealand. Sana wala sa New Zealand. Ang lamig dyan, sir. Sir Dala Posto, letter D. So, sir, paano ba kinukuha yung supplement of an angle? Guys, di ba ang concept nito, we have 2 angles and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. If the given is the first angle, you can subtract the first angle from 180 degrees. And knowing that 180 degrees divided minus 54 degrees, that is equivalent to 126 degrees. And that's it. The correct answer is letter D. So, sa first example natin or sa first given reviewer natin, number 2, number 1, number 2, na review na kayo about supplementary angles. And ayun na po. And ayun na nga po. Let's move on with item number 3. Yan, itong item number 3 naman, it talks about vertical angles. Which of the following is an example of vertical angles in the given figure below? Again, which of the following is an example of vertical angles in the figure below? Go. I will give you 3 hours. Joke lang. Not 3 hours. So, shoutout nga pala sa mga gumagawa sa labas namin. Sana hindi natin marinig yung pag-iingay ng pala. Yan, may sagot na po. Shoutout sa Ma'am Perlita. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Dala Apostol. Yan. Grabe. Pakishare na po yung mga live stream natin sa mga friends, sa timeline nyo para mas marami makakita. I hope na consider nyo mag-follow sa ating page kasi itong page natin is para sa inyo lahat, sa mga learners natin, sa mga teachers natin, even the parents who are helping and guiding their students. Sana makonsider nyo ma-follow para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga post. And also, we're live sa ating Facebook page, sa ating YouTube channels. Meron na dalawang YouTube channels and sana makonsider nyo live tayo doon ngayon. Shoutout sa mga viewers natin sa Facebook, sa YouTube channel natin sa Math Teacher Gon, and even sa Teacher Gon Vlogs. Sinay ko rin yung aking live stream doon para mas marami makakita. The more, the more the merrier. Ayan. So what is the answer, sir? Vertical angles. So let's reveal the answer. Sabi ni Ma'am Perla, letter B. And also, Sir Dan Apostol from New Zealand, his answer is letter B. Sir, what's the answer? The answer is letter B. Yung ating vertical angles are definitely angle 1 and angle 3. Sir, paano po? Sila yung dalawang angles na sa akin, hindi ko napapahirapan yung sarili ko. Hindi ko na kailangan tandaan yung definition masyado. Ang ginagawa ko rito, since I have two intersecting lines, automatically, yung hindi non-adjacent angles yung aking vertical angles. Okay? Non-adjacent angles. Let's continue. Let's move on with item number 4. For item number 4, same given figure, but dito, i-apply natin yung concept about the measurement of vertical angles. What is the measure of angle 1 if the measure of angle 3 is equal to 80 degrees? Diba? So ano bang relationship ng vertical angles at kung pag-uusapan ba ang kanilang measurements, ano measurements nila? Diba? So yan. Sa mga viewers natin, sana may mga sagot, maalala nyo ano ba yung concept about vertical angles. Pakishare na po ang ating live stream, guys. Oh, ang galing naman Perlita, ha? Ang bilis na magot, ha? Ay, meron tayong 5 shares. Salamat sa mga nag-share. Kung meron kayong mga page, sana ma-consider mag-share ng ating live stream. Ay, nako. Grabe. Ito ay, last week, share ko lang, habang sagot kayo, ay may sagot na yung dalawang kasama ko dito. Last week, kasi kahapon, last week, na-miss namin magkaroon ng live stream kasi nagkaroon ako ng sakit. Tapos yung dalawang kasama ay biglang nagkaroon ng engagement. But this time, we will continue our live stream. Next Saturday, kita-kits po ulit tayo, guys. Yan. So, I hope na kayo ay nagiging fruitful lang yung morning while watching our live stream. So, let's have the answer of one of our live streamers. According to Ma'am Perla Malit, the answer is letter A, sir. Sabi naman ni Mr. Mark Anthony Gomez, letter A, sir. Yan. Ano nga bang concept about vertical angles? So let's reveal the answer, and then later on we will review for the concept about the measurement of vertical angles. The correct answer is letter A. Yon, ang galing-galing. Clap, clap. Wala ka pa virtual clap. Ito lang, clap, clap. Yan. Sir, bakit po letter A ang sagot? Why 80 degrees? Ang concept po kasi ng vertical angles, if you consider two angles that are vertical, their measurement is equal. Or in other words, vertical angles are congruent. Pag sinabi natin congruent, their measurements are equal. Ganun lang kasimple. So if one is 80, meaning the other is 80. Okay po ba tayo doon? So, yan. Meron tayong 13 live streamers. Grabe mga tao, no? Tulog pa siguro sila. Share natin itong ating Pakishare po sa inyong mga Facebook page, groups, or mga newsfeed ang ating live streams. Yan. So, I hope na okay tayo sa ating review. Let's move on with our concept about transversal. So, sit back lang tayo and enjoy sa ating panonood. So, what is meant by transversal? Sabi sa ating definition, transversal line is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. So, given that definition, for sure, hindi niyo pa masyado nag-grasp yung concept about transversal line. Kasi kahit naman ako, even in my studies, during my elementary days, high school days, and even sa college, kapag definition lang, it takes me time para makuha ko yung konsepto ng topic or ng term. For what is a transversal line? Sabi dito again, let me repeat the definition. Transversal line is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. So ano nga pong ibig sabihin? You can imagine this one. Let's say for example, I have two parallel lines. I have line T and line R. And they are parallel given the situation. So, meron tayong line S, which is kung napansin nyo, sir, parang yung orientation ng line S is not the same as line T and line R. So ngayon, paano yun, sir? Which one is the transversal? Ang transversal line po natin is letter S. Given this definition, sabi dito, is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. Dito pala makita nyo na agad na yung line S natin, given yung ating parallel line, so sana Ultraman, sana all Ultraman, ganito si Ultraman, di ba? Yun. Given our line T and line R as parallel lines, kung mapansin nyo, nag-intersect ngayon sa ating wait lang Susulat tayo, mag-annotate tayo ng konti. Nasaan yung aking yung aking cursor. Yan, mag-annotate tayo. Yan po. Yung ating line S, yung ating line T and line R are parallel lines. Sila nga pala yung mga lines na kahit anong gawin nilang effort, joke lang. Hugot pa ba ako? Sila yung mga lines na kahit anong extension natin or extend natin, they will not meet because they are parallel line. Okay? So ito naman, we have line S. As you can see, nag-cross siya along, ito yung line S natin, nag-cross siya along line R and line T. So, meron siyang dalawang distinct points. Ito, yung first point, line S intersected line R at this point. Yun yung first point natin. And yung line S natin intersected line T at this point, meaning meron tayong dalawang distinct points na intersection. So therefore, we can conclude or we can say that line S is the transversal line among these three lines. So tandaan niyo po meron tayong dalawang parallel lines and then meron ngayong sumingit or nag-intersect na isang line into two different points and that is your transversal line. Okay? Okay? So I hope na kayo ay patuloy na nakikinig sa ating live stream. Now, sir, ano pa yung pwede namin matutunan about transversal line? In the next part of our live stream or my slide or presentation, ipapakita naman sa inyo yung different types of lines na meron tayo at yung relationships na kanilang mismong measurements. Kasi ito yung importanteng matutunan ng mga bata when it comes to grade 7 mathematics. So again, good morning sa lahat ng mga live viewers natin. I hope na kayo ay natututo and from the start of our live stream, sana nakuha nyo na agad yung concept about transversal line. Kasi frequent tong tinatanong sa mga exams, sa mga summative test ng mga bata, and yun. Sana matutunan nyo ito. Let's continue. Ay, wala pala. Sa kabilang screen pala ako, sorry. So for example, we will be using this kind of line. We have line T and line R as your parallel lines, and line S is your transversal. Continue natin. Ano yung mga angles na mabubuo? So kung mapansin nyo, meron tayong angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Meron tayong 8 angles na nabubuo when a transversal when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Meron tayong 8 angles. And those are angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ngayon, pupuntahan natin yung different angle pairs or angles na meron tayo rito. First, we have the interior angles. Interior angles are angles formed inside two parallel lines. Ayun yung basic definition natin. So ngayon, can you please give me an example of interior angle? Basic definition pa lang natin. And later on, I will reveal to you what are the different examples of interior angles. Sa tingin nyo, alin sa mga yan, along the 8 interior angles, I'm asking you to give me one interior angle. Okay? Sana may makita tayo sa ating mga live viewers kung nasa mga sagot sila sa ating live stream. What do you think? Which do you think is an example of An interior angle. Try lang natin. Okay, matulog pa po yata ang ating live streamers. We have 13 live streamers from YouTube, Facebook, and YouTube. Yan. Wala pa sumasagot sa atin. Now, here are the examples. Ito, sabi ni Sir Gomez. Angle 3, sir. Angle 3. It's an example of interior angles. Wow. Check natin. Sabi kasi dito, yung interior angles daw, those are angles formed inside the two parallel lines. Check natin. Angles that are considered interior are this. Angle 3, very good, Sir Gomez. Sabi ni Sir Gomez, ni Mr. Mark Anthony Gomez, angle 3. Sir, ano pa po? Kasi sabi dyan, interior angles, di ba? Are angles. Ano pa? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. These are the 4 interior angles na nabuo sa ating these are the interior angles na nabuo inside those parallel lines. And sana makita niyo yung sequence natin. Kailan nga ba naging interior? Kailan nga ba naging exterior? As you can see ito yung parallel lines natin. I-consider mo na ito yung yung loob, itong part na to. Ito yung interior niya. At ito naman yung kanyang exterior. Okay? So automatically, those angles are the interior angles. Let's continue. How about the other angle, sir? Let's talk about the exterior angles. Let's talk about the interior angles. So let's define interior angles. Exterior angles are angles formed outside the parallel lines. Kanina, we classified angles 3, 4, 5, and 6 as interior angles kasi nasa loob sila ng parallel lines. Diba? Nasa loob sila ng parallel lines. Eh, sir, how about the exterior angles? Ayun nga pala, shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout tayo kay Sir Jeffrey Del Mundo, sir. Shoutout sa'yo, sir. Miss ka na namin sa aming live stream. I hope na next week makapag-live ka na po. Sir Jeffrey Del Mundo is one of our live streamers, and currently, he is celebrating his mom's 60th birthday. Shoutout sa'yo, Mami Del Mundo, and sana ma-enjoy niyo po ang inyong celebration together with Sir Jeffrey Del Mundo. Yan. Ayun, uminom lang akong tubig kasi sobrang nauuhaw na ako sa ating live stream. Ayun, sabi niya ni Sir Jeffrey Del Mundo. Yes po, Math Teacher Gone, may bonus pa po ba pag top fan? Yes, may bonus kayo sa akin. Lagi kayo updated sa mga uploads natin or mga post natin sa FB page natin. Sa mga gusto maging top fan ng ating FB page, you can always share or comment sa ating mga posts para maging top fan kayo or para maka-earn kayo ng badge. Yan. So about exterior angles, ito may sagot na si Ma'am Perla. Napaka-active ni Ma'am Perla. Thank you, Ma'am Perla, sa inyong panonood. Sabi ni Ma'am Perla, sir, the exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Let's check. Kasi diba sabi natin ay sa labas. So ngayon, since sa labas tayo, and since meron na tayo angle 3, 4, 5, and 6 as our interior, syempre, yung apat na yan, sila yung magiging exterior natin kasi sila yung sa labas ng parallel lines. Continue natin. Angle 1, angle 4, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8 are the exterior angles of this given parallel lines and transversal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig, Ma'am Perla. Galing naman Perla. Sana yung mga learners natin saka yung mga parents natin or teachers natin ay kaparehas ng Ma'am Perla na nanonood natin live stream. Continue tayo. Ayan po. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Del Mundo. Welcome po, Sir Del Mundo. Thank you rin sa iyong support at continuous na pag-guide sa ating mga students. By the way, si Sir Del Mundo isa rin sa mga YouTubers natin. Yan. Ito po siya. Continue natin kasi mahaba-haba pa to. Let's continue. Let's have the third type of angles na meron tayo rito. we have the alternate interior angles. Sabi dito, alternate interior angles are pair of angles inside the parallel lines but on the other side of transversal. Para mas madali niyo ma-identify yung interior, yung mga next angle pairs natin, like this one, alternate interior angles. Kailangan, alam niyo talaga yung interior saka exterior angles. So when say interior angles or alternate interior angles, ibig sabihin yung angle pairs natin ay nandito lang sa along the four angles 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pero given this definition, alternate interior angles are pair of angles inside the parallel lines but on the other side of the transversal. So what are they? Tayo natin para mas mapabilis tayo. The first alternate interior angles natin ito, angle pairs po sila and they are congruent. We have your angle 3 and angle 6. Yan yung first pair of alternate interior angles natin. Angle 3 and angle 6. So later on, elaborate natin bakit tayo may word na congruent dyan. Another pair of alternate interior angles natin na ito. Angle 4 and angle 5. So as you can see, meron tayong that two pairs. Sir, anong ibig sabihin po niyan? That alternate interior angles are congruent. So let's say for example guys, ito yung gusto kong makita niyo po. Ano pong ibig sabihin niyan? Ito po yung relationship nila when it comes to the measurement. Since angle 4 and angle 5 are said to be alternate interior angles, automatic, their measurements are congruent or equal in terms of measure. So paano nga po? Can you please give us an example? When you say alternate interior angles, let's say for example, angle 4 measures, sabihin natin, 100 degrees. If this is 100 degrees, guys, automatically, yung ating angle 5 is also 100 degrees because they are congruent. And sir, how about angle 3 and angle 6? Diba sabi niyo po kanina, there are also examples of alternate interior angles. If angle 4 is 100, we can say that angle 3 is 80 degrees because they are supplementary. Nakakapag-form sila ng linear pair. Now, sir, yun nga po. Diba nga po, ang alternate interior angles natin ay 3 and 6. Ano nga po measurement ng angle 6? Angle 6 is definitely 80 degrees also. This one is also, the measurement of angle 6 is 80 degrees because angle 3 and angle 6 are congruent. Sana po matandaan niyo yan. Next natin, we have the alternate exterior angles. Same pattern with the alternate interior. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito is that the angles are in the exterior part of the parallel lines. Yan po. Continue natin ito yung relationship nila when it comes to measurement. Alternate exterior angles, ito po, yung kanilang pairs, angle 1 and angle 8. We have angle, and they are congruent. We have also angle 2 and angle 7, and they're said to be congruent. So ano naman po yung pinaka ibig sabihin yan? Same pattern po. If the angle pairs are considered as alternate exterior angles, automatically they are congruent. So, sir, can you please give us an example? Ang example po niyan guys ito. Let's say for example, your angle 2 measures let's say for example, sorry. Pangit ang sulat ko, sorry. Baguhin natin ng konti. Erase natin. Sorry guys Ganun talaga. Pag mga hindi binayaan ng writing skills, ganito nangyayari. Yan. If angle 2 measures, sabihin natin this angle measures 70 degrees. Yung angle 2 natin. Sir, what is the measurement of angle 7? Since they are alternate exterior. This one is also 70 degrees. Parehas lang sila na measurement. Sir, how about angle 1 and angle 8? Sabi nyo kanina sila ay alternate exterior. Since 70 itong isa, automatically this one is 110 degrees. If there is 110 degrees, angle 1, at ang ka-exterior angle niya is yung angle 8, this one is also 110 degrees. Ganun po yung ating measurements or yung relationship ng measurement when it comes to alternate exterior angles. So So, pwede ba tayong tumawag ng ating mga live streamers dito? Sino pa kaya yung ating mga live streamers para ano? Para makita natin kung sino yung mga active participants pa natin. Para makapagbigay tayo ng shoutout. Yan, sa mga live streamers natin. Paramdam po kayo. You can comment down below kung saan school po kayo or anong region po kayo ng Philippines naroon para ma-shoutout ko kayo lahat. Yan. Sige, continue po natin. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good morning po. Continue natin yung ating PowerPoint presentation or yung ating presentation. Let's have the next pair of angles when it comes to parallel lines cut by transversal. Meron naman tayo ngayon dito is same side interior angles. So ano po yung same side interior angles natin? Same side interior angles are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Kanina, yung alternate interior natin sa alternate exterior angles natin ay hindi sila sa parehas sa side. Ngayon naman, meron tayong tinatawag na same side interior angles. Ano po yung ibig sabihin niyan, sir? Kailan po natin masabi na yung dalawang angles ay same side interior angles? So, again, lahat ng angles natin ay interior. Nasa interior tayo pero nasan ba yung side natin? Ito kasi guys, kung mapansin niyo po dito, ito po yung interior angles natin sa mga bagong viewers natin ngayon. Ito yung ating interior angles. Ito yung ating same side. So, i-reveal na natin syempre. Same side interior angles natin are angle 3 and angle 5. Yun yung first pair of ating same side interior angles. So, we have angle 3 and angle 5. At ang relationship nila, they are supplementary. Again, they are supplementary. So, kaya nag-review ako kanina about supplementary angles kasi we can use the concept of supplementary angles when it comes to this topic. Sir, ano po yung angle pairs natin? Pansinin nyo, di ba? Yung angle 3 and angle 5 natin are both interior angles at the same time, nasa left side sila. Di ba ito yung ating transversal. Nasa left side sila parehas. Kaya sila tinawag na same side interior angles. Sir, how about the other pair of same side interior angles? Ayan po. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po din po sa inyo, Ma'am Perla Malit, sa inyong pakikinig, and I hope na you can consider sharing our live stream and sana ma-invite pa natin yung mga students, anak natin or kakilala natin to watch our live stream. Continue natin. Another pair of same side interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, and angle 6. And again, they are supplementary. Sir, please enlighten us about this measurement, about their measurements. So for example, your angle 4 and angle 6 are considered same side interior angles. And sabi mo dyan, sir, they are supplementary. So try natin para mas maging guided kayo about this concept. Pag itong angle 4 natin is equal to 100 degrees, sabi natin 100 degrees to, since they're supplementary, para makuha nyo to, you can subtract 100 from 180 degrees and it will give you 80 degrees. Automatically, guys, the measurement is 80 because they are supplementary. Alam naman natin that the supplement of 100 is 80 degrees. So, yan po. So, how about the other? Yan po. If this is 80, kasi di ba ano nga to, same side, sa alternate interior si 3 and 6. If this is 80, automatically this is 100 degrees. Ganun lang po simple yung ating same side interior angles. So let's continue. We have now the same side exterior angles. So ngayon, these are angles that are outside the parallel lines, but nasa parehas pa rin silang side ng ating transversal line. So what are they? Ito po. First pair natin is angle 1 and angle 7. As you can see, they are outside the parallel lines, pero nasa isang side sila ng transversal. Nasa left side sila ng transversal. So ano ba yung relationship nila? They are also supplementary. Pag same side, lagi silang supplementary. Sir, how about the other pair? The other pair of ating same side exterior angles are angle 2 and angle 8. They are supplementary angles. They are same side exterior angles. Grabe, todo uhaw ko na uuhaw ako hanggang ngayon. Yan. So, ngayon, since they're supplementary, let's talk about their measurement. Sir, parehas lang po ba sila ng interior? Yes. Pero bibigyan ko ng definite example. Let's say, for example, your angle 2 measures 80 degrees. So, ano po yung measurement ng angle 8? Automatically, since they are supplementary, this one is 100 degrees. Sir, how about angle 1 and angle 7? Since ito ay 80, kasi di ba linear pair sila, automatic supplementary to, this is 100 degrees. Guys, this is 100 degrees. Sir, how about angle 7? They are, this one is also equal to 80 degrees. So as you can see, may pattern. Kung magiging familiar ka lang about same side exterior angles. Let's continue. Let's have now the next pair, the last pair of angles natin na meron tayo when two parallel lines are cut by transversal. So when it comes to corresponding angles, tayo natin ha. Sabi dito, corresponding angles are on the same position relative to the lines intersected by the transversal. Di ba? Ang hirap intindihin ng definition. So allow me to give you the examples. Ito pala, we have angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. So, ito yung pattern. Sa akin, ito ang ginagawang pattern dito is that iisipin ko na lang na sila yung angles na same side, pero hindi sila parehas na interior or exterior. Okay? So, one of the examples natin is dito ay yung ating angle 1 and angle 5. Let's continue. And sabi dito sa ating measurements, they are congruent. Diba? Kanina, puro tayo supplementary. Ngayon, congruent naman tayo. Another example is that we have angle 3 and angle 7. Another example that we have is that we have here angle 2 and angle 6. They're also examples of corresponding angles. And next natin is that we have angle 4 and angle 8. They're also examples of corresponding angles. So let's talk about their measurement. Ngayon, di ba sabi dito, they are congruent. So, let's say for example, tatawag tayo ng live viewer natin if corresponding angles are congruent, and I will say that angle 4 measures, sabihin natin 70 degrees para may iba kasi kanina puro 80 and 100 degrees. If angle 4 measures 70 degrees, what do you think is the measurement of angle 8 since they are corresponding angles? So let's see sa ating mga live viewers. If angle 4 measures 70 degrees, how about the measurement of angle 8? What do you think is the measurement of angle 8? Sana may sumagot sa ating mga live viewers para sana maging active kayo sa ating discussion today. Yan. Sino kayang makakasagot sa ating mga live viewers from Facebook, YouTube, and YouTube. Kasi, again, we're currently live. Yan. Wow, meron na sumagot sa ating Facebook, sa ating YouTube channel. According to paano to? Kayin, Margaret Abelia, her answer is sir 70 degrees po. Check natin. How about the others? Ano pong sagot natin sa ating tanong dito? Yan. According to Kayin, Margaret, sir 70 degrees po. Meron na sumagot. Ayan, sabi po ni sabi ni Mahorney or Ogier, I hope na tama yung aking pronunciation. Sorry kung magkakamali man ako. Angle 4 and angle 8 are equal. Tama po yan. Tapos sabi naman ni Mr. Mark Andre Sir Gomez, he's not sure about his answer. Sir, 70 degrees po, sir. Tama po ba, sir? Yes, tama po. The correct answer here is also 70 degrees. Because they are congruent. Okay? Yes, sir. Follow-up question tayo. What if your answer, if angle 1 measures 70 degrees. What do you think is the measurement of angle 7? Anong measure ngayon ni angle 7? What do you think is the measurement of angle 7? By the way, guys, angle 1 is 70 degrees because angle 4 and angle 4 and angle 1 are vertical angles. Remember kanina sa ating review, vertical angles are congruent. Again, vertical angles are congruent. Therefore, angle 1 is definitely sorry. Hindi pala sorry po sige, tuloy na natin. Hindi ko dapat itatanong yung number 7, pero ano yun, ang galing naman ng viewers natin. Yan, nagtanong na. Sorry. Ang gusto ko sanang itanong ay angle 5. Grabe yung mga viewers natin, they are active and they are thinking. Ginamit nila yung yung concept about same side exterior angles. Very good po. Very good si Kinsan and si Ma'am Perla Malit. They have applied the concept about same side exterior angles. Ito po. Galing. Sorry ha. This one is definitely, wait lang po, i-erase natin to. Angle 7 is definitely equal to 110 degrees. Because angle 1 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles and they are supplementary. Ayan po, meron na pong humabol. Grabe itong mga viewers natin, they are active. According to Mr. Mahorney, kasi di ba sabi ko, angle 5 dapat itatanong ko. His answer is that angle 5 is also equal to 70 degrees because they are corresponding angles. Grabe. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Sabi ni Sir Jeffrey Del Mundo, humabol siya about angle 7. Okay. Sir, kompletuhin na natin to because this is the last angle pairs na meron tayo. If angle 1 is 70 degrees, angle 4 is 70, angle 5 is 70, angle 8 is 70. Ang tanong ko ngayon, what is the measurement of angle 6? Diba? What is the measurement of this angle, guys? What is the measurement of angle 6? Because later on, meron tayong question and answer. What is the measurement of angle 6? What do you think? Wow, very good. Ay, paki-mention po kung anong angle po yung tinutukoy nyo. Sabihin nyo po, angle 6 is equal to something, ganun. According to Sir Kinsan, shoutout sa'yo, Sir Kinsan Sanchez, the answer is 110 degrees. Let's see if this is 110. And ano yung underlying reason why angle 6 is 110 degrees? So, ang reason dito why angle 10, ang daming reason, guys, when we apply the concept of transversal line. This one is also 110 degrees. Sir, ano pong reason? Let me give you or let me enlighten you about the different reasons bakit siya 110. Remember, ito po angle 7 and angle 6 are vertical angles. Automatically, they are congruent. Ang dami yung pwede magamit dito. So, therefore, angle 6 measures 110 degrees. Another reason why angle 6 is 110, simply because angle 4 and angle 6 are same side interior angles. Automatically, they are supplementary. Very good, very good. Yan po. Another, sabi rito ni Sir Kinsan, ito po. Sabi, sir, another relationship because angle 5 and angle 6 are supplementary because they are forming a linear pair. And knowing the definition on the relationship between angle forming linear pair, they are supplementary, guys. Di ba napakarami? And another reason, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Kompletuhin na natin. We have angle 3. What do you think is the measurement of angle 3? Ano naman sa tingin niyo ang measurement ng angle 3? If that's the case. Kung mapansin, may pattern na May pattern na, guys. What is the measurement of angle 3? Grabe, we all, meron lang tayong 10 minutes. Yan, sabi ni Kinsan, active si Sir Kinsan. The measurement of angle 3 is 110 degrees. Very good. This one is also 110 degrees. Ang daming reason. How about angle 2 po? How about angle 2? How about angle 2? Okay lang po, Sir Kinsan. Angle 3 is 70. Ay, hindi po. Angle 3 is 110 degrees. Sorry po. Angle 3 is 110 because angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior. How about angle 2? Para makompleto na natin. What is the measurement of angle 2? Let's see. Sabi dito ni Ma'am Marian. Wow, shoutout sa iyo, Ma'am Marian. Sornosa. According to Ma'am Marian Sornosa, angle 2 is equal to 110 degrees. Yes, very good po. Ang concept po dito is that simply, angle 3 and angle 2 natin are vertical angles. So automatically, they are congruent. At the same time, another reason is that angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They are congruent. Another possible reason is that angle 2 and angle 8 ay supplementary because they are both under same side exterior angles. So yun, galing ng mga viewers natin. They are actively participating. Yun po. So, later on, meron tayong mismong quiz to end up our session. But I want to give shout out po sa ating sponsor. Guys, I want to give my sincere gratitude and thanks sa aming sponsor. Actually, we have our sponsor. May sponsor po kami and I hope na you can consider our sponsor. You can visit. Ito po, shucks. You can consider our sponsor and you can visit their business page. Ito guys, ito ay ako ay nakikiusap na tulungan din natin yung aming sponsor. Ito kasi, itong sa aming live stream, meron kaming sponsor na nag-sponsor sa amin ng aming pambili ng account ng StreamYard para makapag-live stream kami both Facebook saka sa YouTube. And they helped us para ma-achieve namin yung account. Kasi yung account namin ay yung unang account ko sa StreamYard, hindi kaya pagsabayin yung pag-live stream sa Facebook saka sa YouTube. And meron sa amin lumapit na sponsor and they want to sponsor us. Yun, binigyan kami ng cash para makabili kami ng account. And I hope sa mga nanonood sa atin dito sa ating live stream, I hope you can consider visiting Sweetheart's Craving. Simple lang, small business lang po sila, but tinulungan nila kami para ma-achieve namin yung aming goal sa aming pag-share ng aming live stream. And I hope you can visit their small business page para matulungan natin silang umangat din and i-bless natin yung kanilang page. Again, shoutout po sa inyo, Ma'am Jen, sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating live streams para sa ating mga bata. And I hope you can consider visiting their page. Yan po. Yan po. So now, let's continue. Let us continue our discussion. Yan. Meron tayo nito, identify the relationship between the following pair of angles. Yan. So what are the angle pairs? So we have here an example wherein angle S is your transversal and we have two parallel lines, angle T and angle R. What do you think is the relationship between, or anong klaseng angle pair sila? Si angle A and angle E. So let's see sa ating mismong example, angle A and angle E. Okay, sabi ni Ma'am Ma'am Baton, sir. Yan, sir, yan ni Ma'am, o nating viewer na si Walid. Sir, they are corresponding angles. Okay, check natin. Very good. They are corresponding angles. Very good, very good. Next, how about angle number 2, angle B and angle G? Check natin sa ating mga viewers. What is their answer? Ayan po, pahabol po ni Ma'am Perla, angle 1 daw po ay corresponding angles. Same with Ma'am Marian. Yan. How about po yung ating angle B and angle G? Check natin if they learned from our discussion kanina. By the way, guys, again, let me ask you to share this video sa inyong mga timeline para mas marami pong makapanood sa ating live stream. According to Sir at to Walid, Sir, ang angle B and angle G po ay alternate interior angles. Same with Ma'am Perla, shoutout po sa inyo sa ating Facebook live viewer. Angle 2 is our alternate interior angles. Same with Marian Sornosa, alternate interior angles po. Let's reveal the answer. Definitely, angle B and angle 3, angle B and angle G are alternate interior angles. Yun na po, may sumasagot na po. Nauna na po si Sir, advance na po si Sir. Yan, sige. Sabi po ni Sir, same side exterior angles in number 3. Let's reveal. Check natin ha. How about the others? What is the measurement of angle of number 3? Angle C. What measurement tuloy? How will you classify angle? Ayan po, binago po ni Ma'am Perla. Exterior angle on the same side or same lang po sila ng same side exterior angles. Wow. Grabe itong mga learners natin, ay mga viewers natin. And I hope sana yung mga learners natin, manood din sila ng mga live streams natin. So let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is they are same side exterior angles. How about number 4? Diba number 4 natin? Ano pa sagot natin dito? How will you classify angle 4? Ay, number 4. Sige, pakita na natin. Angle 4 are definitely examples of alternate exterior angles. So, humabol pa si Ma'am Perla. Wow. And lastly, number 5, same side interior angles po yung angle D and angle G. So, grabe. Salamat po sa inyong, sa inyong mga... May next part na po tayo ng ating quiz. Sa next part ng ating quiz, we will identify the measurement of the angles. If angle 2 is 30 degrees. So, tayo natin Sabi dito sa ating given, if angle 2 is equal to 130 degrees, find the remaining angles. Find the remaining angles. No? Sabi dito, angle 2 is equal to 130 degrees. Ano kaya ang measurement ng angle 1? Oops, angle 1 po is 150. Sabi ni Sir Walid, 150 daw. Ba't po 150? Ayan pa yon. Humabol po si Sir Walid. Sabi ni Sir, 50 degrees daw. How about the others po? What do you think is the measurement of angle 1? Okay, reveal na po natin yung sagot natin. Angle 1 is, oops. Napakita natin yung ano. Mamaya natin papakita yung sagot ha. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. Yan. 50 degrees. Very good. How about kaya yung angle 5? Angle 5. Ayun, tama nga po. They're forming a straight line or they are forming a linear pair. Sabi niya na they are supplementary daw. Very good po. Very good, very good, very good. Yan. Okay lang po magkamali. Kahit tuman po ako, nagkakamali rin talaga ako. Normal po yan. Yan. They are forming a straight line. Sabi naman ni Walid, 50 also. Angle 5 is 50. Check natin. Angle 5 is 50. This one is also 50 degrees. Very good. Because they are, ano kayang reason? Bakit 50? They are corresponding angles. Let's continue. Sir, how about po yung ating angle 6? What do you think is the measurement of angle 6? What is the measurement of angle 6? O sabi ni um, Sir Walid, that is 130 degrees. This one is, sabi din ni Sir Nosa, Marian, 130 degrees. Tingnan natin. This is one is 130 degrees. Ang daming reason guys kung bakit siya 130. Unang reason nakikita ko rito is that angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They're congruent. Another reason is that angle 5 and angle 6 are linear pair. Therefore, they're supplementary. Diba? How about angle 3? Ano naman po yung measurement ng, angle 6 tuloy. Angle 3. Angle 3 natin is measures, this one is 130 degrees. Yan po. Ano po kaya angle 4? How about this angle 4? Angle 4, anong measurement kaya? Ano kaya measurement ng angle 4? What do you think is the measurement of angle 4? What do you think is the measurement of angle 4? Okay, according to Ma'am Perla, Sir Walid and Ma'am Marian, this one measures 50 degrees. Very good. This one is definitely 50 degrees. How about po kaya yung angle 7 and angle 8? Para isahan na lang. Angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 7 and angle 8. Wow. May sagot pa si Ma'am Marian. According to Ma'am Marian, 130 degrees and 150. Sabi naman Sir Walid, 7 is 130 and 8 is 50 degrees. Very good. Reveal natin sagot natin. This one is 7, this is 130 degrees. This one is 50 degrees. Ang basic reason natin guys, because angle 6 and angle 7 are vertical angles. Same with number 5 and angle 8. They are vertical angles. Pero syempre, marami pa tayong reason ba't ganyan yung measurements nila. One of the reasons din naman is that angle 4 is corresponding to angle 8. Therefore, they're congruent. So sana kayo ay natuto sa ating sa ating mismong live stream about this topic, and I hope sa ating mga viewers ngayon I hope po you can consider following my social media accounts. I have my TikTok account, I have my Instagram account, I have my Facebook page, I have my YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, following those social media accounts para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga latest uploads. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sa inyong pagkatuto, and sana ma-share niyo yung ating video sa inyong mga estudyante, sa inyong mga anak or mga kilala, and even sa inyong mga timeline kasi napakalaki pong bagay na sinishare niyo yung mga videos namin or mga post namin kasi mas marami po kami na-reach ng mga tao or mga bata para mas matuto sila sa aming mga math sessions. And ang pinakadahilan ng aming live streams ay para makatulong kami sa mga batang kailangan ng ganitong mga klaseng sessions. Kasi alam naman natin, in this pandemic, napakahirap ng ating situation, lalo na sa mga learners natin. Affected talaga ang ating education sector. And sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, salamat sa inyong participation. Wow, shared na po sa group ng mga bata. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Perla Malit. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. And maraming salamat po sa nanonood sa ating Facebook page, sa ating YouTube channels, and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Later on, after this live stream, meron ulit tayong next topic wherein ang discussion po doon is for grade 8 students. It talks about congruent triangles. And abangan niyo po si Sir Dan Apostol. Same dito rin po sa ating page, sa ating pong page din po. And sana po makonsider nyo mag-subscribe and follow. And shoutout po sa ating Sweethearts Craving. Maraming salamat po kay sa mga viewers natin. Again, end ko na po ang ating live stream. I am Master Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. And bye-bye!